Just 5 more minutes. Okay, time to start the day. Better. Another busy day.
What you are seeing in this animation character is completely created using a 100% free AI tool, including sound, captions, everything. Previously, the tools we used for animation required payment, but now most of them are expensive. However, as long as you have the desire to create, there is always a way. In this video, I will show you a tool that is not only free, but also allows you to create images using Nano Banana and animate them using VO 3.1. It also gives you a full workspace where you can do voiceover generation, AI engineering, and editing all in one place. I will show you a complete workflow where you can use Nano Banana Pro and similar tools without any subscription with amazing quality. You will be able to create animation clips like this without spending any money. Let's go straight into the video. Alright, every viral animation starts with one thing, a story, and you don't even need to write it yourself. I have prepared a master prompt for you in the comment below. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Based on the results, I may have updated and improved it. This prompt includes everything: detailed character prompt, text-to-image prompt, text-to-video prompt, and short dialogues for each scene. Now, most people think you need 3 or 4 different tools to do this. One tool for generating images, another for animation, another for video editing. But in reality, you can do all of this using just one AI tool for free. So first, go to Google and search for Google Vids. Click on it and sign in. To be honest, many people don't even know this tool exists. But like I said before, you can do almost everything with it. You can create characters, animate scenes, add voiceovers, add captions, and edit everything in one place without leaving the platform. Now I will show you step by step how to use it. First, we need to build the character. On the right side, you will find the options. Go back and copy the character prompt. Then go to the generator and paste it. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. If you want a specific style, you can choose from the available options, but in our case it's not necessary because everything is already included in the prompt. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. You will see the result. The character is fully designed. It gives you a realistic, high-quality character. Before moving to the next step, make sure to review it carefully. If it's not correct, for example, if the face or hands look wrong, you can regenerate it. Because this character will be the foundation of the entire animation, all future scenes will be based on it. Now we continue. You may notice one disadvantage. Sometimes you cannot reuse the same generated image as a reference for other scenes. So for the best results, make sure you are connected to a VPN. Then go to Google Flow and click New Project. Now you can use Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro for free access without any credits. For comparison, try generating the same prompt using the Pro version as well. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate. It may take a few seconds, but you will get great results. Download the image you like in high quality and use it as a reference. Then go back to the document and copy the next prompt. Paste it again, add one of the pictures for the frame, and generate. You will see a new result. Now go back to Google Vids and start animating it. Click on your image, and it will appear in preview mode. Then click Insert. Choose Continue to Video, so it can animate using the reference. Make sure to use the same character for consistency. Set aspect ratio to 16:9 again and generate. You will see the AI automatically create a video from a single image. If you don't like the result, you can regenerate until you get what you want. Once you are satisfied, click on the video and it will be added to the timeline. Repeat the same process for the next scenes. Go back to your document, copy the next prompt, and repeat the workflow. As you can see, It creates consistent scenes with the same character, different angles, and smooth animation. At this point, you should understand something important. When creating AI animations like this with perfect lip sync, sound, and captions, you may not get perfect results on the first try. Your workflow will be repetitive until you reach the best output. But the advantage is that it is completely free, and you don't waste credits or money. You can continue generating until you get the result you want. Once all scenes are ready, you can add captions easily inside Google Vids. On the right side, you will find the captions setting. Select your preferred style, and it will automatically generate subtitles based on the dialogue. It perfectly syncs the timing without manual editing. As you can see, everything is aligned automatically, no manual syncing required. At this point, your full AI animation is ready. Visuals, voiceover, sound effects, captions, all generated in one system. To finish, go to File Export. Set your desired resolution and export the final animation. Once exported, you will have a complete AI animation ready for upload. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. I will continue sharing more tools like this so you can stay
Just
updated
5
with
more
what is
minutes.
possible in AI content creation. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.
Okay, time to start the day. Better.